Depends how it was damaged and what the customer said went on. So let me just take you through it. So you've got 5 different categories that Amazon has under the damaged criteria for returning products. Number 1, sellable returns. So this is an item that the customer hasn't opened the box, hasn't done anything at all. They have just decided they don't want it anymore and they're returning it. So Amazon will just put that straight back into your stock. There's nothing for you to do. Amazon will put that back into your stock for you. They've checked it, they'll put it back into your stock. They've deemed it's in A plus condition. Nothing for you to do. And that just gets sold again. Damaged returns. So if it's your fault that the product is damaged, i.e. you didn't wrap the product properly, you didn't use a poly bag, you didn't make sure the product didn't move around too much, whatever it may be, if in some way, shape or form Amazon believes that you were negligent with the packaging for the product, then there's no recourse, you don't get any of that back. If, however, there's 3 different versions of this. So if it is what's called a customer damaged return, then, and by the way, that doesn't mean that they damaged the product. It just means that they opened the packaging, and so the packaging is damaged. Then typically, the best thing you can do here is to do a fulfillment order and get that sent back to you, put it into some new packaging, and then get it back into your stock. There's not really anything you can do because it's not Amazon's fault. It's just a customer returned it. C'est la vie. Nobody wins. Then you've got carrier damaged returns. So that's if it was damaged in transit. So whether that was UPS or FedEx or USPS or more and more now Amazon itself. If it was damaged in transit, then you can get that money back. No problems at all. Easy to get that back. You just lodge a ticket with Seller Central and they will get that back for you. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then defective returns. This is the nasty one. So if the customer returns it as defective, then Amazon really takes notice. So what that means is the customer unboxed the thing that you sent to them and then deemed that the product didn't work as described or was broken or was defective in some way, shape or form. These are nasty. Now, oftentimes your customers will use the defective return to get a free return. And the bad thing about that is if you go over a certain ratio of defective returns, Amazon will investigate your account, and in some situations they'll stop you selling until you've had all your stock checked by a third party to make sure it's okay, which is, I think, as it should be. But if your customers are returning them because they just want free shipping returns, then it kind of sucks. So I've had a lot of these defective returns, and I don't know the exact number, but from what I've seen, it's about 1 in 100. If you're getting over 1 in 100 products returned defective, then you really need to worry because Amazon is out for you and they'll come after you. Okay, but how can you tell what's going on? All right, so let me just make sure. Where am I? Where are we? So you want to go into here to reports. Amazon fulfillment reports is the one you want. Fulfillment, that one there. Hopefully you can see that. And then you'll arrive here, and then it is one of these that you're looking for. It's called FBA Customer Returns. Where is it? I really need to get my glasses. I've discovered I need glasses. Where is it? Amazon Fulfilled Shipments, Payments, FBA Customer Returns. There it is. That one there. So FBA Customer Returns is the report you want to run for that to see what the hell's going on and to make sure you stay within the realms of what's going on. So, bottom line, there are some instances where you can get your money back from Amazon, and if that's the situation, just need to lodge a ticket with them and they'll take care of that for you. There are more reasons why you won't get anything from them, and you've got to get it from either the carrier or you've got to kind of eat it, and that's just as it is. Hope that was useful. That's the first time I've been asked that question, so that's pretty cool. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.